Welcome friends, welcome to Maths World GM channel. You are learning mensuration. We have the problem, a right angled triangle whose sides are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter is revolved about the sides containing the right angle in two ways. Find the difference in volumes of the two solids so formed. So we have the shape cone. After revolving the right triangle, here we have the right triangle. The longest side is 10 centimeter, therefore it is the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So when it is 6 centimeter, side 6 centimeter is fixed, then 8 becomes the radius. Step 1, revolving about 6 centimeter, then h equal to 6 centimeter and radius become 8 centimeter. So we have the volume equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is 1 by 3 pi into 8 into 8 into 6, so pi into 64 into 2, which is 128 pi centimeter cube. And in the next we have the right triangle, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and here 8 is fixed now. So we have here height is step 2, revolving about 8 centimeter. So height is 8 centimeter and the radius is 6 centimeter. Then the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So we have 1 by 3 pi 6 into 6 into 8 centimeter cube, which is pi into 12 into 8, 96 pi centimeter cube. Therefore the difference in the volume is equal to 128 pi minus 96 pi, which is again equal to 128 minus 96, which is 32 pi. Again, finally we have 32 into 3.14 centimeter cube, which is equal to 100.48 is approximately equal to 100.5 centimeter cube is the difference in the volume when it revolving about the sides containing the right angle. That's it in this problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.